In the prior activity, we created a storage space in our Windows server. In the storage space, we created a pool, and then we also created a virtual disk. In this activity, we want to clean up that pool and virtual disk and return our disks back to being able to be used as they were previously. So I'm going to go ahead and jump on in. And before I start with the instructions for the lab, I did one extra step. I went ahead and I formatted the volume beyond what the instruction said. So I actually have here in Disk Manager, I have new volume E. And if I start off and I just say right-click vDisk and say delete, it's going to give me a warning saying you have to delete that volume. You can't just right-click and delete. You have to get rid of that volume first. So I'm going to go back to Computer Management for under Disk Management. I'm going to right-click my E drive here, and I'm just going to say delete volume. Gives me the standard warning, hey, this is going to delete data. That's okay. Now that my disk is unallocated, I should be able to come back in here into Server Manager, right-click vDisk, delete virtual disk. Must be deleted. Let's try a refresh briefly. All right, let's try that again. Delete virtual disk. And there we go. So I had to delete the volume and then click the refresh button. And now I see deleting this virtual disk deletes all data. Do you want to continue? Yes. And the virtual disk will now be gone. Hooray. And then to return the disks back, I want to right-click my pool and just say delete storage pool. And okay. Once this is done, I'll go back into Computer Manager and I should be able to see there's my 3 extra disks that I've been working with all this time. And we're back to the way we started.